Textination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Midea has engineered a better room air conditioner designed to allow windows to be closed with the unit installed. The Midea U is an inverter air conditioner. Product Marketing Manager Rodrigo Texeira.
The U shape makes it possible that the user has the window coming through the air conditioner, so they can still see through the window, gets rid of those accordion side panels, and also makes the user able to open and close the window whenever necessary.
It's designed to be quiet too, very clever, and the Midea U can also connect to Wi-Fi and be controlled through Google or Amazon smart speaker voice commands. Pricing starts at $339 for an 8,000 BTU unit. They go up to 12,000 BTUs. You can find us at Textination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Textination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Textination.com and put in the code Textination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.